Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe with Claude in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on Claude.ai. Then you just have to get access to your dashboard by logging into your account. Now, when you are inside, you just have to click on the option of customize, then click on the option of connect your apps. Now, when you do this in the connectors section, you are going to see all of the partner applications that you can basically connect with Claude AI. Now, since you want to connect Stripe with it, so you can use the search bar here on the top, and then you can just simply search for Stripe. Now, as you can see, Stripe payment method is definitely available for the integration over here. So simply click on the option of the plus icon right next to Stripe. Then it is going to redirect you automatically on stripe.com. Now over here, if you already have logged in into your Stripe account, you will be shown the authentication or the approval page. But if you don't have already signed up or logged in, you need to first of all either create your account or log in into your Stripe account, and then you just have to do nothing but to just simply authenticate or approve this particular connection. Now when you do so, you will be redirected inside Claude AI and the connection will also be successful. So when you come back here on the home page, you will be shown Stripe as an application over here available in the bottom, and then you can select that, and then you can basically ask it for summarizing your payments, and you can do whatever you want to do. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.